we back. I got another custom for you guys, alright? And actually I got 5 new customs for you, and this is going to be all on Air Force Ones, and it's on this one single video, okay? It's going to be short and sweet, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys like it a little bit. Just a little bit. And that's it. Short and sweet. Let's get right into it, okay? We done. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got more videos coming, okay? Let me know if you like this style video. I'm still listening. We got more customs on the way, okay? They on the way. So stay safe out there, alright? I'll catch you guys next time. Don't miss me. Don't miss me.